Here, a pump base with the Davidon guides. You can see we've had to pull it out with a forklift. Part of the problem that we run into with these outdoor systems is, as you can see, a fairly long run to the building, and people continually put paper down. So I'm willing to bet when we come back, this will work just fine. Turn off. Don't put your finger in there. So we have cleared the debris, all the strings and tampons and whatnot that get caught in these impellers. There we go. We just powered it. It's working beautifully.
Because it almost looks like as if...
Okay, so Steve, you're gonna...
I have to guide it as soon as it gets into the hole.
Yeah, so we have to... So just steady it so that it doesn't flop over. There you go. Keep it steady, yep. And just take it right over the... A little higher.
A little higher than before.
What we have to do...
That far enough?
A little bit further, a little bit past. Yep. Right. All right. So lower it down, and you're gonna have to turn it, Steve, so that it. Whoa, whoa, whoa. You're gonna have to turn it so that it.
Can you hold this side? Because I gotta keep this.
Oh, hold on.
Down?
Yes.
Slide the guides up.
Slow down, slow down, slow down. Okay, keep going, a little bit more.
Okay.
Watch your head there.
So the weight of this should plunk it in place.
We'll have to back up a bit.
No, you're good.
Good, good, keep going.
Down?
Down.
Hold it, hold it. So we're on the ground.
Wait, it's off. Weight's off. So now you can undo that chain and tie the chain back off. So as we can see, the water is now going down. Here's the top of the pump. We saved our wonderful customer here from a fate worse than death. A poopy parking lot. We are in the bottom of a sewage pit, and as you can see, as I try to balance on this ladder, we can zoom in close and see the suction guides. This is a rail system holding the pump in place. There's the valve that closes the water, and you can see these two hooks that go right up these rails and all the way out to the top of the sewage tank. And they allow you to raise and lower the pump on this chain because this pump is really heavy. And that fitting right there, although this is a terrible angle, self-seats the pump and allows you to pull it out and service the pump and then put it back in. It's a great system. That can be finicky sometimes.